Hello guys, so what I'm going to show you today is how you can make an image move inside of Filmora, meaning how you can create a video out of an image using AI, okay? So something to keep in mind here is that you're going to need credits for it, okay? This is not a free feature, okay? So you're going to have to spend some money if you want to do this. Now, this is the Filmora home screen, and we're going to look for image to video in here. Now, let's click on Custom, Create. And now you have to import your image, okay? Which in my case is going to be a simple landscape, as you can see here, right? We can also change it to a portrait, meaning to a vertical aspect ratio, but I'm just going to keep it 16:9, okay? Now let's click on Submit, and let's give it a prompt. Now, because this is a landscape, I'm just going to say something random like moving birds, or flying birds, rather, and shining sun moving east, for example, right? And you would have to click on generate. Now, as you can see here, I don't have any credits, so I'm not going to be able to do this, but this is what you would have to do, right? Now, once the generation finishes, you're going to have to go to your files in here. You know, this is image to video, so you're going to go to my files, and all of your creations are going to be saved in here, and you can directly import them into your timeline, okay? So that's it. Thank you very much.